When it comes to protecting your home, your windows play a crucial role. They're not just about aesthetics or letting in natural light. They shield your home from the elements, enhance energy efficiency, and provide safety. However, if you live in Auburn Hills, Michigan, you know the weather here is anything but predictable. From hot, humid summers to freezing winters, the region's climate poses unique challenges for window durability. Here's a closer look at how Auburn Hills weather affects your windows and how you can ensure they stand the test of time. Winter freezes and expanding frames. Winters in Auburn Hills are often cold and snowy, with temperatures frequently dropping below freezing. These low temperatures can wreak havoc on your windows, particularly those made with lower quality materials. Cold weather causes materials like wood and aluminum to contract. Repeated contraction and expansion can weaken the window frame over time, leading to gaps, warping, or even cracking. Furthermore, icy conditions can result in condensation or frost buildup on your windows, which can damage seals and reduce their overall efficiency. Pro tip: opt for high-quality windows with vinyl or fiberglass frames, as these materials are less prone to the wear and tear caused by freezing temperatures. Insulated glass and multi-pane designs are also excellent choices to combat the winter chill. Summer heat and UV damage. While winters are challenging, Auburn Hills summers bring their own set of issues. With average summer highs often reaching the mid-80s, heat and prolonged sun exposure can cause windows to degrade over time. UV rays can weaken seals, discolor frames, and even damage certain types of window glass. Additionally, heat can cause some materials to expand, especially wood and aluminum, potentially leading to misalignment and a decrease in efficiency. Humidity, another hallmark of Michigan summers, can contribute to swelling in wooden frames and encourage the growth of mold or mildew, particularly if condensation builds up inside or around the window. Pro tip: consider windows with UV-resistant coatings, which help block harmful rays while reducing heat transfer into your home. Low emissivity glass is a smart investment, as it improves energy efficiency and extends the lifespan of your windows. Spring and fall. Moisture and fluctuating temperatures. The transitional seasons in Auburn Hills often bring heavy rainfall, fluctuating temperatures, and strong winds. These elements can be hard on your windows, especially if they're older or not properly maintained. Water damage is a significant concern, as it can weaken the frame and damage the surrounding structure. This is especially true for wooden frames, which are susceptible to rot if exposed to moisture for extended periods. Improper drainage or clogged weep holes can exacerbate the issue, allowing water to pool around your windows and compromise their durability. Additionally, the rapid temperature changes that often occur in spring and fall can strain your window materials. For instance, a chilly morning followed by a warm afternoon can lead to expansion and contraction that weakens seals and reduces the window's insulating properties. Pro tip: ensure your windows are properly caulked and sealed to prevent water infiltration. Regularly clean and inspect your window frames and drainage systems to mitigate moisture damage. Storms and extreme weather. Auburn Hills is no stranger to high winds, thunderstorms, and even occasional hail. These extreme weather events can cause physical damage to windows, including cracks, broken panes, or compromised seals. Poor quality or outdated windows are especially vulnerable to these conditions. Pro tip: if you live in an area prone to storms, consider investing in impact-resistant windows. These are designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, providing your home with an added layer of protection. Maintaining window durability in Auburn Hills. Given the weather challenges in Auburn Hills, proper maintenance is key to ensuring your windows remain durable and effective. Here are a few maintenance tips. Inspect regularly. Check for signs of wear, such as cracks, warping, or peeling seals. Address issues promptly to prevent them from worsening. Clean thoroughly. Regularly clean your windows, frames, and tracks to prevent dirt, mold, and debris from causing damage. Upgrade when needed. If your windows are older or showing significant wear, consider replacing them with modern, weather-resistant options. Conclusion: the weather in Auburn Hills is as beautiful as it is challenging, with each season bringing its own set of conditions that can impact your windows. From freezing winters to humid summers, your windows need to withstand a variety of stressors to keep your home safe, comfortable, and energy efficient. By choosing durable, weather-resistant materials and practicing regular maintenance, you can extend the life of your windows and protect your home from the elements. Investing in high-quality, climate-appropriate windows isn't just a smart choice, it's a long-term commitment to the comfort and safety of your home in Auburn Hills.